In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text to YouTube thumbnails using Pikzels AI. Let's get started. First, open Pikzels AI using our affiliate link go.pikzels.com/dine and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click New Chat on the left side. On the right side, choose the prompt option and generate or upload any thumbnail you want to work on. After your thumbnail is ready, click the Edit button below it. Now select either the rectangle tool or the brush tool, depending on where you want the text to appear. Highlight the area where you want your title added. In the prompt box at the bottom, simply type the text command. For example, add bold text saying "secret hack" in large yellow letters. Then click Generate. Pikzels AI will automatically place the text inside that selected area and match it with the thumbnail style. If the font placement is not perfect, repeat the process and describe the text style better, like red dramatic text, white glowing text, or huge clickbait title. You can keep editing until it looks right. This is the fastest way to add professional thumbnail text without using Photoshop. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.